Instead of calling hash set and then calling the values from there, you can directly call a method called values, which returns all the values in the hash map. With this, you can loop through the values or you can print them out directly. Now, this is an easy way of getting access to the values in the hash map. Unlike list, where every element is just an individual and you can loop through it, because a hash map is made up of keys and values, you have to specify what you're looping over, whether it is the whole hash set, the values, or key set. When you call key set, it returns the set of keys in the hash map. We have key 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this hash map. So this is going to print it out. Now we have a method called remove. Remove is used to remove a particular element in the hash map. You pass in the key of the element you want to remove. Now I have passed in key 4. That means it is going to remove the key 4 and the value 56. By the time I call HashMap again and print it out, you would notice key 4 and its value do not exist again. One other behavior of the remove method is when it removes a value, it returns the value it just removed. So if I say remove key 4, it would remove the key and the value, of course, that is with that key. But it will return the value of that key just to tell you that, hey, this is the value that was removed. Sometimes you might want that function, so it depends on you. If you call remove and you want to have access to the value that was just removed, you can save that value in a variable. You can print it out or do something with it. If not, you can just call remove and allow it to remove the element by itself.